take a look at how to get a captain's license DIY. This will be the lowest cost, highest knowledge, and shortest time frame. There we have some tools for you to do this. So let's check it out. Application. You got this. Application, C-Service, physical, drug test, CPR and first aid, pay.gov, and TWIC. Right, so you got application, C-Service, physical, drug test, pay.gov, and TWIC. So C-Series application, physical. This is like about $100. Drug test, about $100. Pay.gov, $145. TWIC, $125. So these are pretty set, and these will give you like 100, 145, 125. This is about the cost of your application. CPR and first aid. An online course is $75. So add that in here. There we go. Now we're right. 15, 1, 5, 6, 7, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we are. The cost of your application, if you do the whole thing yourself, is $545. Not bad. Add it to a course, which is like I could say 600 or 7 or 800. Really, our courses come to 612.50. Let's just call it 600. The OUPV master. The master's is 800. It's actually going to come to 812.50 with shipping. We'll round up at the end. Put a little bit of room in there for your budget. Right? Good. So here you are. If you round up a little bit, so we could say it's gonna be, because we're missing 1250 here. So if you add, that's 55, 60. So if we just round it all the way up to 1200 DIY OUPV, including the application, and then if we just round up to 1400 here. 1400 DIY masters, including application. So I have a class built just to get your captain's license. It's called USCG application packet. It comes with every course we sell. I'll make it available on our website, uscaptainstraining.com. You can go and sign up for free. And then we have an application generator under resources in the heading. So you go to this application generator, fill it out, and click submit and generate application. You'll get a 22-page PDF. Has every one of these. Has the application, C-Service, the physical, drug test. Pay.gov is something you do on pay.gov, the website. And I have screenshots for all the different pay.govs for renewals, increases, upgrades. But the originals are the main ones you look at during this process. So the original UPV or original masters have screenshots of what to fill out for pay.gov. It'll be $145. The TWIC, there's a video in the course about going to the website and scheduling and everything. CPR and first aid, there's links to this in the course. There's also links if all this gets overwhelming and you want a consultant. There's links to Diamond Marine Services, who's a fantastic consultant who will really help you smooth out the process. This is like your DIY, how to get a captain's license and what to expect.